he called out.
Oh boys, what a surprise! Let us roll this log on and on.
Yes, let us follow our leader.
Now just as the fun was about to begin, Makhon, Potik's younger brother, comes and sits on the log.
Hey Makan, what are you up to? Get up and allow us to play.
Why are you telling me? I won't get up.
Makan, if you don't get up this minute, I will trash you.
No, I will not. Do whatever you can.
Oh boys, let us roll this log along with Makan.
1, 2, 3, go.
The boys rolled the log along with Makhon. Makhon's ego being hurt, he rushes and scratches Potik's face. Potik beats and kicks him too. Makhon goes home crying.
You better watch out. You will have to pay for this.
Potik keeps sitting by the edge of the riverbank. A middle-aged man comes and asks him,
Hey boy. Hey boy, where do your Chakravartis live?
Over there.
Where? I cannot understand.
You better.
Now a servant comes from the house and says,
Look.
the servant carries The servant carries Potik in a bundle and takes him home. At home,
Potik, again you have been hitting Makhon.
No, Ma, I did not hit him.
No, ma, he's telling lies. Potik hit me.
Potik could not tolerate anymore. He hits Makhon in front of Ma and pushes her. Ma angrily cries out,
You little villain. You are hitting your own mother. Shameless boy.
Just at this moment, the stranger arrived. Mother was shocked to see him.
May I come in?
Dada, where have you come from?
The stranger was mother's elder brother, Bishambar Babu. He had been to Bombay for a long time. After returning to Calcutta, he had come to meet his sister. After staying there for a few days, he said,
Sister, I have been with you for the past few days and I am seeing everything. I want to take Potik to Calcutta with me and I will educate him with my own children over there.
As you wish, Dada.
It was a moment of relief for mother as well as Potik.
Mama, when you go to Calcutta?
Very soon, dear.
Hey Makan, come take my fishing rod and enjoy playing with them.
The day comes for them to go to Calcutta. Once in Calcutta, Potik meets his Mamima and his three younger brothers.
Potik, meet your Mamima.
What the best! Why have you brought him here?
What to do? I could not see my sister in pride.
Potik, what are you doing here? Go away at once. I cannot tolerate you. Sorry to hurt you, Mama. What sorry? Keep your drama to yourself. Mama, I have lost my book. You great clumsy lout. How can I afford to buy new books 5 times a month? Why does Mommy misbehave with me? Ma was the best person in the world. My home is my only paradise.
One day, Potik asked his mama,
Mama, when can I go back to my home?
Wait till the holidays come in November.
One day, Potik lost his book, and when he asked his Mamima,
Mama, I have taken my book. You great clumsy lout. How can I afford to buy new books 5 times a month? You great clumsy lout. How can I afford to buy new books 5 times a month?
Fotik had a very high fever. He was shivering. He went missing. After a long search, the police brought him in their arms. Maima angrily cried out after seeing him.
Are you Fotik?
Yes.
Vishwana, we brought Fotik.
He was high fever, let him take rest.
Dictionary. Come, let's go to the room and let rest.
What a heap of trouble. Send him back to his mother.
Fotik's fever rose. He spoke in delirium.
Mama, don't have the holidays come.
Fotik, try to sleep.
Then Fotik said, Ultimately, Bishambar Babu sent for his mother.
Fotik, my darling. Fotik, open your eyes. See, I have come to take you.
Ma, I am going home. By the mall, 3 fathom. By the mall, 4 fathom. By the mall.
Thus, Fotik leaves this world. His mother's impractical partiality led to her loss. Thus, a void in her life.
Thus, we saw that mother's impractical partiality led to the loss of Fotik's life. And this story and play do teaches us one lesson, that we should always view the problems of children, the growing children, with certain compassion. Otherwise, the demise will be like Fotik. Thank you.
Narrator Ranveer Dev.
Fotik, Biswarup Banerjee.
Makon Priyanshu Shah.
Mother of Photik and Makhon, Joitasha.
Mama Bishambar Babu, Shantan Das.
Mami Shraddha Rai. Servant of Ginnima Ansharya.
Friends Adar Singh. Friends Rajiv Chatterjee. Cousin 1 Kushankur Paul.
Cousin to Ushmit Rai.
Cousin Jin Jhatri.
Police Swarnadeep Devnath.
Police Shaunak Bhadra.
Portrait. Photik Sorrow. Raima Pal. Thank you.